Bakit naman?
I know there's no chance. There's no chance he'll play in this window. Alam ko yung mga kaibigan natin sa tiebreaker, nilabas nila. Kaibigan ko yan ha, may-ari ng tiebreaker, Matthew Lee, a good friend of mine.
Yeah.
Pinalabas nila, lalaro daw si Kai in the second window sa July. Oh, I'm not sure about that. I'm not refuting their story. Maganda rin mga sources ni Matthew, pero based sa mga conversation ko, it's not guaranteed. Tama. I'm not saying mali ang tiebreaker. I'm just saying, oh man, the contractual gymnastics that will be required to make Kai Soto play for the window in July, mahirapan sila.
Okay.
Alam mo pa, bakit? Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
NBA Summer League. Kung ikaw si Kai Soto, anong pipiliin mo sa July? NBA Summer League o Gilas?
Walang bagay na hindi nahihilot kung merong konting langis. Baka naman kailangan
Okay.
dami-damihan yung baby oil.
May nagsabi sa akin, kailangan daw mataba ang cheque. Yun daw. Kasi manipis eh.